others. So
Thanks, ma'am.
candidates, yeah, I welcome you. Now there is only very little time before us. So you please ask your doubts and whatever doubts you have, and if it is possible, I will answer. Shagufa Nazmeen is attending this class for the first time. Shagufa,
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Shagufa. So you attended the GD yesterday only, na?
No,
Yes.
sir. I have attended GD on my 18th.
Oh, long back, long back. Acha,
Yes,
acha.
sir.
ठीक है. Yeah. Now, what have you studied in banking so far, Shagufa?
Sir, nothing much. My course is not about banking. I'm doing MBA, so it's a different. But I have done internship in SBI.
So, what are the responsibilities of a bank officer?
So bank, everything like from entering to the bank, everything like deposit, yeah, guiding the customers, letting them know if customer ask anything like what is NEFTs, RTGS, how to make an account. Everything is responsible for is a responsibility of the officer, I guess.
Is this answer sufficient for scoring good marks?
No, sir. That's why I am attending your classes to score good marks.
ये ऐसा में भी आंसर देने से तो नहीं होगा.
Yes,
You
sir. This is my first class, so
okay?
that's why
No
I'm
problem.
giving
Yeah,
this kind of answer.
yeah. Normally you can. ये पूरा बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. ये इसमें जो दिए, whatever has been given here, you will have to tell it briefly.
Mm,
Shagufa, can you read this now? So I am sharing now. Sorry,
okay.
I have not shared it. Yeah,
Okay. So can I read now, sir?
yeah.
Roles and responsibilities, customer
Uh,
acquisition,
No,
business
no, hello,
survey.
read loudly. Read loudly. You are recording it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Customer acquisition, business survey, argumentation of para banking income, and assigning the team in achieving all the business target of the bank.
Hello, hello, hello. What
Yes,
is
sir.
given here? What is it you are reading?
Assigning the team in achieving all the business target of the
Are
bank.
you reading it as assigning? आपका hank कुछ
Sorry, sir. Assisting. I'm really sorry.
assisting the team in achieving. Come on, read.
Yeah. Front end customer facing role to meet the expected standard of external and internal customer service rendered by the branch by ensuring process standardization, timely service, inculcation of customer centric.
Inculcation.
Okay, inculcation of customer centric culture and strong operational controls
Hmm.
in accordance with the quality standard of bank,
Okay.
ensuring customer delight by personally attending the customer who visit the branch and assisting them with the banking operations and functions.
Very good. I will ask Rajul to read. Rajul, you were not well yesterday. How are you? How is your health?
Sir, better, sir.
Huh? Oh, you are having cold, cough, and all that, or what is the nature of issue?
Sir, it's just a viral throat infection, but it's better now.
Oh, viral. So
Yes, sir.
please
Yes.
read. Can you read now? Providing
I,
financial. Yeah.
yes, sir, definitely. Providing financial solutions to customers to find an appropriate banking product as per their need, requirement, to meet and exceed their expectations by offering assistance through counseling, cross selling of banking and third party products. Handling retail operations of the branch, example, sales processing of liability and asset products, cash operations management, front office management, managing on-site and off-site ATMs, strong room operations, passing of checks, insurance of issuance of demand draft, ATM card, and checkbooks.
1 minute.
Developer learning attitude.
No, no,
Okay,
no. Here, here. Yeah.
okay.
Working towards.
Okay, working towards achieving the business targets of branch as well as the assigned individual targets by continuously enhancing the relationship with customers, meeting prospective customers, and adding them to the existing client base. Assisting in the digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers. Liaison with, sir, what is this first word?
Liaison means contacts,
Okay.
relationship.
Okay, sir. Okay. Liaison with senior official, peers of the branch, and ensure
Peers का
that.
मतलब equals. Peers का मतलब equals.
Okay, sir. Okay. Peers of the branch and ensure that the day-to-day operations of the branch are well executed diligently, adhering and complying with various audit and quality norms standards of the bank. Develop a learning attitude for self and motivate others by constantly updating with
Hmm.
various policies of the bank
By
and trends.
consistently. Of course,
Consistently,
the word you used also is correct. Constantly, yeah.
yes, sir.
Consistently updating.
Updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in the global financial market. Learn people management, develop a capability to manage his or her own team in the future. Any other work allotted from time to time as per the administrative requirements of the bank.
Yeah, I know. In your interview, you cannot be telling all this. So you
Yeah.
try to make out a small handout of this, say
Yes, sir.
about 6 or 7
Keywords.
like keywords. You use the keywords and tell. For
Yes, sir.
example, customer acquisition, augmentation of parabanking income, front-end customer-facing role, satisfying the needs, ensuring customer delight by fully satisfying them, providing financial, both are same points, providing financial solutions to customers, handling retail operations, the branch, also taking care of ATM, strong room operations, work towards achieving targets individually and for the branch, and to see that digitalization is made more popular. Then keep proper liaison with seniors and colleagues. Then also complying with the rules and regulations of the bank. Develop a learning attitude for self and also teach others and motivate others. And also learn to work along with others and achieve results. Good. This much will do for this particular question. Now, what is the doubt others are having? Anybody has got any doubt? Please tell me any doubts you have. Whatever doubts you are getting in your mind, you can ask me. I will clarify. Yeah. Banu Prakash, you are also new to this class because you have passed GD only today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, sir.
What was the topic given to you in GD?
Like if you're the bank manager, if you will
Uh,
provide the loan for the startup or not.
Oh, what did you say for that?
Yeah, all are repeating the same points, sir, in the open discussion.
Acha, what was the point you said?
I have maintained some 2 to 3 points I have uniquely compared to others, and my voice plays a major role because
Hmm.
all are speaking continuously, like a fish market. You said before, they're not giving chance to others to speak.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What is the point you told? Will you be giving loan or not?
Yeah, yeah, surely I will giving the loan to the customer because and only out of 11 thing, only one is not supporting to not he is not able to give the loan. With the help of his points, I got many points, sir. Actually, he is opposing my options, what I am raising.
Very good. Now,
Yeah,
now answer one interview question. Please tell me what are the loans given by banks?
like what are the types of loans, sir?
What are the names of loans given by banks?
Like personal loan, vehicle loan, gold loan, and home loan. These are the loans I
Not,
know up to now.
not bad. Not bad. I thought you will not tell this, but you told. Some more
Business
loans.
loan, yeah.
Some more loans. Pratik Chowdhury, can you tell me some more loans given by banks?
Education loans and
Correct. Yeah. Education loans. Then
I don't think extra loans.
you are not remembering other loans. See here. mm, that is SME business loans, agri loans, then term loans, project loans. Then you can tell the priority sector loans. Priority sector, there are 8 sectors. One is agriculture, then education, third one exports, fourth one housing loan, then fifth one renewable energy, sixth one infrastructure, seventh one MSME, then eighth one self-help group and other loans. Okay. Likewise, these are the loans given by banks. And also they give property loans, loan against properties. Then they give also loan against their own deposits. Loan against their own deposits. They also give loan against jewels, which you already told. Federal Bank has got 1 crore 66 lakh customers, 1,442 outlets, 1,393 ATMs, and 578 cash recyclers. 5 cash recyclers. And their core values are this: commitment to excellence, agility, relationship orientation, ethics, sustainability. And their vision is this one: to be the most admired bank, which is digitally enabled with a sharp focus on micro, medium, and middle market enterprises. So like this, you must go through this. You must go through the awards they have received. You must go through the awards they have received, more especially the latest one, Bank of the Year Award 2023, given by The Banker. Then top 10 large India's workplace for women, top 50 large India's best workplace for millennials, like this. And this one is Economic Times Future Ready Organization Award, likewise. So you try to remember a few points that they are giving in their website. Good. Now, next
Sir, I
question.
have
Yeah,
a doubt.
of course. What is the doubt, please?
Sir, what's the difference between the normal cash dispenser ATM and the cash recycler?
Yeah, cash dispenser ATM. So in the regular ATM, you cannot remit cash into it. You can only take cash from it. Whereas cash recycler is one. It can accept cash remitted by customers. It will also give cash to the people who want to draw money from that. That is the difference. Okay.
Sir, is it the same as CDM?
CDM is same. Yeah. CDM is only told as cash recycler. Same. Cash depositors machine. Same thing. CDM. Both are same. Very good. Now, any other question? Any doubts? Any doubts you are getting? What is the latest
So I
news?
have
Yeah.
one question.
Yeah.
So what is net advances?
Advances means loans. See, strictly speaking, the difference between loans and advances. See, we use these terms very freely. Loans and advances. These terms are used quite freely. We don't differentiate them. But technical people will say, what are the difference between loans and advances? This is how they differentiate. Yeah. Can you read this? Yeah, please read. Organization. What is a loan? Please read. What is a loan? Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. So can you please zoom in?
Pardon?
Yes, sir, it's fine now. A loan is a form of debt financing in which one party, the lender, who is generally a financial institution or bank, lends money to another party, the borrower, pay back the loan plus interest. The borrower may or may not be required to put up collateral when applying for loan, depend on whether the loan is
or unsecured.
secured or unsecured. Yes.
Anamika, you are there.
Yes, sir.
Please read the interest rate.
The interest rate, fees, and repayment tenure of the loan can vary from one lender to the next and even from loan to loan. A loan can be used to pay for everything from a car to home renovation expenses to higher education to running a business. What is an advance? Advance are a form of funding that lenders give to businesses to cover their short-term needs. The central bank, RBI in India, and the institution lending the money makes the decision about the terms of the advances. The various kinds of advances include short-term loan. The full amount is disbursed to the borrower at once in this type of loan. The loan tenure of payback is typically shorter, and hence the loan type is used by businesses to cover their operating expenses. Overdraft. An overdraft is a bank service that lets a customer take out more money than they have in the account up to a certain limit. Bill purchase. Loan given by the bank in exchange for security. The bills/invoices to be paid to you are known as bill purchase. Cash credit. This is a feature offered by the bank that allows customers advance funds up to the value of pledged asset. What is the difference between loans and advances? Both
Actually,
individual.
इतना जरूरत नहीं है हम लोग का. See, normally, advance is a facility that is given beforehand, whereas loan is a facility given to a borrower to be repaid along with interest in for different purposes. Where a particular asset is acquired, it is being hypothecated or say pledged to the bank, whatever it is. Okay, that is offered as collateral security, mortgaged. In the case of houses being bought, they are mortgaged to the bank. Very good. Next, any other question, please?
Sir,
Any other? Yeah.
so what does it mean by mortgage loans?
Mortgage loans. See, whenever a banker is giving loan, if he gives without asking for any security, it is known as clean loan. It is known as clean loan or personal loan, where the loan is given against the salary you will be getting every month from your employer, or depending on you whether you will pay or not. If they have confidence, they can give you even though you are not an employee. But where the gold is offered as security, jewel is offered as security, that is known as pledge. Movable property, when it is given to the bank and the possession is lying with the bank, it is known as pledge. But where the movable property is charged to the bank, given as security to the bank, but the possession continues in the hands of the borrower, as in the case of car loan or open cash credit available in shops where they are selling, say, television, then say refrigerator, etc. They will retain the stock. Based on the stock, bank will be giving loan. Such a facility is known as hypothecation. Now comes next one, where the property offered is an immovable property, say land or building. Then land and building or land or building. The property is offered as a mortgage to the bank. Before taking a property as mortgage, the bank will check up whether the person who is offering it as security is the real owner of the property by verifying the title deeds. This will be done by bank's approved lawyers. They will also check up whether there are any encumbrances, whether he has already taken loan against it from others. Apart from this, the banker will make a personal inspection of the property to check about how it is, whether it is worth it or not. Not only that, the bank's approved engineer, civil engineer, will visit the property, take measurements, and then give valuation of the property based on the market price. Such a property, when it is offered as security, the banker will take the title deeds of the property from the owner, from the person who is owning the property. Nowadays, banks do register the equitable mortgage, that is deposit of title deeds, with the registrar. It is because when I was all working in bank, we were not registering it. But people started giving that as security to one bank. They used to go and take a copy of the document and use that and give as a security to another bank. So they started doing this. And in order to prevent this, this system of registration of charge in favor of the bank is being done nowadays. In the case of limited companies, wherever their property is offered as mortgage, not only is the charge to be registered with the registrar of properties, the charge has to be registered with the registrar of companies within 1 month. That much extra information you don't require. For your answer, simple answer is mortgage means offering an immobile property as security for the loan taken from the bank. More especially in the case of housing loan, when building is being bought by the party, that property will be offered as security. Yeah. Next, any other question, please?
Sir, yesterday I was talking to my senior who got selected in Federal Bank last year from our college.
Yeah.
So he was just saying me some questions that the interviewer asked him.
Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to discuss two of those questions with you. Sir, the first question was that a very different question, that why should we not select you?
Yeah, correct. Then
And another question was that why banking industry? According to you, why you want to come to banking industry? These.
this is, yeah. Second question is often discussed by us. See,
Yeah.
in the case of engineers and all, I normally tell them that you can tell the interviewer that there are no sufficient job opportunities in my field now. And even if jobs are offered, the salary offered is low. Whereas the banking service offers a good job with career growth and is also secure. And above all, I have a desire to be of service to people, and I have a ability to communicate to others and convince them about our schemes. Such an opportunity is available only in banking. So that is why I want to come to bank. I want to
Mm.
come to Federal Bank because Federal Bank is one of the top private sector banks whose profit has been rising, and the management is also very good in treating its employees and officers. So I am hopeful of an excellent career in Federal Bank. So I would like to come to Federal Bank. If you go and tell this, the interviewer will say, Arey, what is this? All of you are telling the same answer. Did you take coaching from Sambasivan? So that is how they will ask. So you use some other words and tell the same answer. समझ गए आपको?
Yes, sir.
This is a favorite question during pan-India recruitment in Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, those places. Interviewers started asking candidates, Arey, what is it? All of you are telling the same answer. So like that, they started asking because I coached nearly 700 candidates last time,
Yes, sir.
out of which 300, 120 plus 70, 190 of them have been selected. So
Wow.
that is the answer for that question. Next question you asked was, why should we not select you? You can tell them, you have to smile and tell them, sorry, sir, I don't find any reason why you should not select me, because I have a desire to learn things quickly, and I have an ability to communicate properly to customers. And above all, I want to achieve the targets given to me. I think there is no reason why you should not select me. You can, they want to test your confidence.
Yes, sir. Sir, but my senior answered it in a very sarcastic way. He said that, sir, if you want someone who is extremely good in finance and numbers, then I think you should not select me. But if you want someone who is extremely good with dealing with people and in marketing, I think you should definitely select me.
Yeah, this is also a good answer.
But sir, he sir also, sir, he like he was saying ke, I admitted that my finance was not that strong part of my studies,
Yeah,
so I
yeah,
accepted.
because he is an engineer. Yeah,
Yes, sir,
that
he was from
that
BTech.
yeah, yeah. It is of course you can tell like that. Otherwise, even if I am of the view we need not accept our negative points openly
Yes, sir.
unless it has to be seen. It is already seen by them. So my suggestion will be slightly different.
Yes,
But
sir. Your answer was
honestly,
better.
honestly, let me tell you, interview, especially Federal Bank, it is 70% based on your luck. The time at which you are entering the room, the mood of the interviewers, the questions that are asked to you, it all depends on your luck. There is a case of a candidate from National Institute, NIT, Surat, a very bright candidate, MSc chemistry. She was interviewed for 1 hour, and at the end, she was told, okay, very nice, but you look kiddish. You don't look womanly. So I'm sorry, like that they told. And she was not selected also. So likewise, it all depends on that girl was answering every question nicely, like this Anamika is now answering. Anamika, what is your height?
So my height is 5 feet 4 inches.
Not bad. That is okay. Then it's okay. If one is going to be less, that girl is only 4.9, 4 feet and 9 inches or something like that. So in which case, you must put on a sari and go so that you look big. Understand? So that is
Sir,
again another,
so
another issue.
so
Yeah.
you mean to say that boys who are taller are have
Boys
chances
who
to
are
get
taller will be, no, not so bada mota. इतना
नहीं
मोटा
नहीं
होने से तो अच्छा
taller.
लगेगा नहीं. Taller होने से थोड़ा better होगा. But of say roughly of 5 feet 4 inches up to that and above is good. If you are shorter, you must be more knowledgeable. That's all, only difference. Understand? It all depends. Again, the way you enter the room, the way you smile at them, all these things matter a lot. And after all, you can't blame them. They are working managers. For them, this is extra job. They come there and they interview you, and they want to see whether you are capable of talking to others nicely, whether you can learn things and then go ahead. In fact, all these days I was telling you about a case of a State Bank employee who was sent out because he did not pass the test conducted by them. Just today, the candidate called and told me, sir, I am happy to tell you, I have now got into another private sector bank in North India. As an officer, he has joined today only as an officer. So that, you know how many years it has happened? He had to spend about 3 years without a job. Very bright boy, very, very bright boy. You can imagine a person being selected as a probationary officer of a SBI. extremely intelligent. But
Yes, sir.
then he did not pass the test properly as prescribed by them, and he was sent out mercilessly. And to come out of this crisis, it has taken nearly 3 years. So do not resign any of your jobs without getting proper job first. There is a case of a girl who worked for Federal Bank. She resigned after getting married, probably for child delivery or so. Subsequently, when she went for IBPS PO interviews and all, those old fellows, they are all grinding her by telling, why did you resign from such a good bank? How can we believe you will continue in service with us? So she is not being selected at all. More than 3 years have gone. So this is another point I want to tell you.
Yes.
Very good. Any other question? Last
Sir,
question? Yeah.
sir, like when we are, sir, it is mandatory, like, sir, every time they ask for the introduction, like introduce yourself.
Not necessary. कभी कभी वो लोग इंट्रोडक्शन बिना इंट्रोडक्शन भी शुरू करते हैं.
जी जी जी.
At least
Sir, according to you, what will be the best way to like introduce?
20% cases they don't ask for introduction.
Okay.
20% cases. Yeah.
Sir, if they do, like according to you, what would be the best way to like introduce?
That is what I have already told in the Bankers Adda book itself. It is given. Na?
Yes,
You
sir.
tell your name. You tell your name. You tell the native place of yours. Then your degree or qualification. You can also tell about your lower degrees and 12th class.
Okay.
If you are
And then
scored,
hobby.
then your strengths, then your achievements in the school or colleges, then
Okay.
your hobbies. You can
Okay.
stop with that. If they still allow you time, you can tell about your parents.
Sir, what about sir internships, like internships that we have done?
Yeah. You have to tell. You have to tell. I forgot.
Yes,
I
sir.
forgot. After your qualification, and after telling about all qualification, you can tell about internship or project. If at all it is something related to banking and all, you can tell. There is no
Yes.
fun in you are talking about a project for science or something else like
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir. So actually, there was a line that I made for like after like my introduction of my academic part. I just wanted to ask that would it be right to put it into my introduction, sir? So can I say that line to you?
Yeah, tell me.
So after that, I told them I did my graduation from here and here in Bachelor of Business Administration, this and this. So, sir, it goes like this. So, apart from my academic pursuits, I also like to keep my body fit, and for that, I go to the gym. Going to the gym not only has provided me with the knowledge of health, but it has also taught me discipline and consistency in my life that I apply on the regular basis.
It's okay. It is not wrong to say like this because you are good in English. It
Yes, sir.
depends on the ability to speak. You can tell like this. People who have talked like this are being selected.
Okay.
It
It
depends.
should.
Further
But
questions.
but
Yeah.
it shouldn't sound fake, like you're not trying
No.
pretend.
It's okay. That means आप कैसे who is talking now? Rajul.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, you can tell like that. Nothing wrong. Because you
Yes.
cannot say when you are so patla like me. But
No, 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 sir.
when you are so good, you can tell.
एक बोल
Sir,
कभी क्लास लगा रहा हूँ.
sir, rate yourself or rate your interview.
Pardon? Pratik. Yeah, Pratik
Sir,
can. Pratik appears slightly tall and also not so strong. Na? What is your height and weight?
yes, sir. 5.6, sir.
5.6. Weight kitna? 60 kg?
60, sir.
Correct. So
Sir, my
figure.
question.
Tell me.
Sir, rate yourself or rate your interview experience.
Pardon?
Question is rate yourself.
Narrate yourself. No. I'm not
Rating.
hearing.
Rating.
Rating yourself. Very rarely
Rating
they do ask. Very rarely they do ask at the end of the interview. How do you rate this interview of yours? In that case, You can correctly say, I rate myself at a 9 out of 10. You should not have any hesitation. No, sir, I think I can be rated 5 out of 10. No, you will not be selected. Say, I rate myself at 9 out of 10. And I hope you will be selecting me. You should tell like that.
Sir, one last question. Sorry, sir. One last question.
Mm.
Sir, recently I went for an interview like of another a different domain. So they just randomly asked while sitting like, "Do you have a girlfriend or what?" As so I don't think these federal bank employees would ask these kind of questions.
So far, they have not asked.
Okay, I
So,
hopefully they don't
so
ask.
far, they have not asked. Even if they ask, you can tell. What was the question? Hope you have a girlfriend.
No, do you have a girlfriend or like what?
Yes, I have a girlfriend, but my having friendship will not affect any way my job with the bank.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just for fun, I am telling you, it depends. No.
Okay,
But
okay, sir.
here they don't have that much time to ask questions.
Yeah, sir. This is a foolish question. This random company asked me, so that's why I was cross-checking.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Best wishes, candidates. I will close this class with this tomorrow. What should we do? The day after tomorrow, I won't be able to take any class. I'm
Sir, I
going
have
out.
a doubt.
Yeah, tomorrow I am very busy. Right from morning, I have lot of interviews. Tell me.
Sir, like second time when bank got nationalized, like how much of deposit did the companies, I mean the banks had?
100 crores.
200 crores. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, one basic question. Is the interview of Federal Bank is online or physical face-to-face interview?
Physical, face to face.
And what are the preparations which I should do before sitting on your interview, sir, so that it will be productive for me?
Before coming to me for my interview,
Yes, sir.
you just go through Bankers Adda interview booklet.
Okay.
You go through the questions book paper I have given you 250 pages material. Out of that, at least 35 pages, 1 to 35.
Okay.
And be ready for answering all the. I will ask questions only from that.
Okay, sir.
Then next one, you can also read banking. You also go through current affairs. Every day I am giving you newspapers, not
Yes, I
only
have seen that.
not only newspapers, but also banking updates. Nowadays, I am getting a new material which is more or less relating similar to current affairs snippets, but it is worth going through that. It is worth going through that material. So this is 1 minute. Newspaper. See, when I go to this newspaper page, why it is not coming? It will take time perhaps. Here I have given today 3 or 4 newspapers. You at least go through the headlines. Then on top of that, I have given you banking updates, today's date. It is not coming in this. There is some problem in it. You can see it in your cell phone. You can see it in cell phone.
First message of today, sir.
Today first message, yeah.
Yes, sir, I have seen.
Yeah. Newspaper, 1 minute. It's a very good one. 4 pages only. They give it very nicely. Please go through that.
Okay, sir.
This
Sure,
is
sir.
what it is. This is what it is.
Okay, sir, I get it.
Yeah, this is what it is. Banking updates. It's every day you must go through banking updates.
Sure,
That will
sir.
help you. When you read that, some of it may be a repetition of what you will be seeing in your current affairs snippets. Doesn't matter. Read it. Enjoy. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow 8:30 we will meet.
Sir, one question I want to ask you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, they are asking about the native place. So what type of question I can expect from my native place?
What is your native place? What for your native place is important? Who are the important people living in your native place? What are the activities done in your native place? production of grains or whatever it is. What are the industries available in your native place? What for your place is being recognized or remembered by others?
Any banking related questions, sir? That how many branches in your
No, no,
state
no,
or
no, no. वो सब पूछता नहीं है. But Federal Bank people are very keen that you must have visited one branch of their bank. So if there is time for you before interview, if there is a branch near your house or college, please visit that branch, see how it is, talk to the manager of the branch, tell him you have got interview, whatever he says, listen to him, tell good points about the branch you visited in the interview. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Tomorrow 8:30.